In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a drop-down mega menu in Wix. Start by opening your website in the Wix editor, so you can work directly on the page where you want the menu to appear. Once you are inside the editor, go to the left-hand side and click Add Elements. From there, choose Menu and Anchor. Then click Horizontal Menus. You will see different menu styles available. So pick the design that best matches your site. Click and drag that menu onto your page, placing it wherever you want visitors to access it. Usually, this works best near the top of the page, but the exact placement depends on your layout. Next, you'll need to convert that regular menu into an advanced menu so it can support a mega menu layout. Click to select the new menu in the editor. Then click the Settings icon. In the settings, choose Set as Advanced, and when the pop-up appears, confirm by clicking Set as Advanced again. This step is important because the advanced menu gives you more flexibility and allows you to create a larger, more customized drop-down experience. Now that the menu is set up correctly, it's time to add the mega menu itself. Select the advanced menu, then click Manage Menu. At the bottom of that panel, click Add Menu Item and choose Mega Menu. You will be asked to enter a title for the container. Type in the name you want your visitors to see in the main navigation. Then click Done. Still inside the Manage Menu panel, click Add Item to create the pages or links you want to feature inside the mega menu. After creating those items, drag and drop them under and slightly to the right of the mega menu item so they become nested beneath it. This creates a clear hierarchy which helps organize the dropdown and makes navigation feel clean and intuitive. Once your items are in place, go back to the Manage Menu panel and click Edit next to the mega menu you just created. A blank container box will appear on your screen. This is the space you'll design for the dropdown content. Click the Add icon on the left side of the editor to start placing elements into that container. You can drag in images, text boxes, buttons, strips, and shapes to create the exact look and structure you want visitors to see when they hover over or click the menu item. When your design is ready, switch to preview mode and test how the mega menu behaves. Make sure it opens properly and looks polished in the desktop view. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Publish. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.